My name is Samantha and I run the blog recipethis.com with my husband Dominic, and today I'm going to be showing you how to cook boneless chicken wings in the air fryer. We're using TGI Friday's boneless wings, but any will do. Have you tried the air fryer free mini course? Are you new to the air fryer? Let me introduce you to our 5-day free quick start mini course. It answers a lot of beginner air fryer questions, gives you simple air fryer recipes to follow, and helps you get confident with your air fryer. You can get it for free at recipethis.com/ebooks or search recipethis.com for air fryer mini course. So, true confessions, I always say that I only buy air fry frozen food to demonstrate to our readers, and that we follow a whole foods diet, eat lots of plant-based food and are perfect with our eating habits. But these babies were so delicious, we kept going back out to the supermarket and buying more and more of them over Christmas, and we just bought them again today as an excuse to do a video for you. So these are boneless chicken wings, TGI Fridays. You could use any boneless chicken wings, it doesn't matter, but they are ideal for air frying from frozen. So in each pack you'll get your boneless chicken wings, which are very similar, I may add, to the size of frozen chicken nuggets. And then you get a sauce pack, which is your traditional buffalo sauce. We find that as a family of 5, 1 pack is quite small, so we'll be showing you how to cook 2 packs at once today, which is perfect for if you're a bigger family, or maybe it's game day, or maybe you just want something nice to enjoy while you're watching a movie. So as you can see, those packs aren't big and they are perfect for the air fryer. So first thing you want to do is get your air fryer basket out and then load them up. I always grab them with my hand like this, because otherwise what I find is there's always a load of breading that goes to the bottom of the bag and makes your air fryer incredibly dirty. So I know it's boring doing it like this by hand when you just want to pour them all in there, but it'll save you on a bigger air fryer cleanup job. So that's 1 pack, so you can see how many you get from 1 pack. So let's open the second pack, shall we? And also note that our cook time will reflect doing 2 packs. So if you are just doing 1, reduce the time by about 15 minutes, not 15 minutes, 15%, and then just see how well cooked they are and if they need a little bit longer, because you can always add time, but as they say in cooking, you can't take it away. So there you have it, just spread them out in the basket so they've all got a chance to cook, and then you want to put the basket into the air fryer. Right, we're starting with 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 12 minutes. And then we'll be back when it beeps to show you a fantastic hack for the frozen sauce. But for my hack, which is fantastic, which is for the last 5 minutes of cooking, I also air fry the packets of the buffalo sauce. Remember, these are frozen solid, and you know it takes ages to get them defrosted because you want to serve them. You cooked your chicken and your sauce isn't ready, so you can just throw them in there with the chicken and they'll naturally defrost as the chicken crisps up. We're now going up a bit on the temperature to 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, because you want crispy chicken. And then we're taking the cook time down to 5 minutes. And then we just have to wait for them to be done. And we've beeped. Oh, I'm so looking forward to eating these. And you can guarantee I'm going to burn my tongue. So there you have it. You've got perfectly crispy boneless chicken wings, and you've got perfectly cooked sauce. If you think that when you add the sauce, it's nice doing it like this because the sauce is perfectly defrosted and it's lovely and warm, ready for your chicken. If you don't want the sauce warm, what I recommend is in this 5 minutes of cooking time, you just put the sauce on for the last 2 minutes, and then it will perfectly defrost it, but it won't be warm like it is now. And as you can see, you've got 2 packs of sauce to go out there. So what I do now is I always get my air fryer out the way, get the bowl out, and we're ready for mixing. I prefer to do it like this and toss my sauce in the chicken rather than just drizzling a bit on the side or something, because it's so nice the way it mixes in with the sauce. So for moving the sauce, I always recommend scissors because it just goes everywhere, does this sauce. And then just slowly start adding it in. You might want your sauce to cool down a minute before you mix it. It's just totally up to you. And then of course, you can use both your sachets or just use one, depending on how strong you like your buffalo sauce. Now, confession time. Me and Dominic, we're British. You know, the wings culture isn't as big in England, and using boneless wings, we'd never heard of them before until one of our readers asked us to cook them. The same goes for buffalo sauce. So the first time we cooked this in the air fryer was the first time we tried the sauce. So what we did was we only put a quarter of a sachet in, thinking, I've heard buffalo sauce is really, really spicy. How bad is it? Especially when you're feeding small children. Realised that it's not that bad after all, and absolutely loved it. So then, once you're done, Dominic is very, very kind, and he just brought me a wooden spoon so that I wouldn't burn my fingers. Isn't he a sweetheart? I've like got the best husband in the world, and he's also worked for many years as a chef. So when I'm doing something stupid, he'll tell me, such as using my fingers on red hot chicken. So there you go. So as you can see, you've got a lovely buffalo sauce coating on your chicken, and it's just ready for serving up. So then just choose your favourite dish, and people never know that you used a mixing bowl to get your hot wings. Hot wings, what am I calling them hot wings for? Buffalo wings. See, that's how knowledgeable I am about these sauces, but they're very similar, aren't they? So there you have it. That's how to cook air fry boneless wings. And of course, don't forget your sauces. If you're doing ranch wings, you can do the same thing. Frozen ranch sauce in the air fryer for the last couple of minutes will do an absolutely awesome job. And you just have to decide how you like your wings. Today's recipe is all part of one of our themes that we're running at the moment. It's called 12 Idiot-Proof Air Fryer Recipes. Not my choice of title, but one of my readers asked me for air fryer recipes that were idiot-proof, that was so simple that a child could do them, and that's what today's recipes are about. The reason we run themes on our YouTube channel is so that we can focus on a certain type of cooking. You can scroll through our videos and then see which one best applies to you, and then you can pick and choose which ones of our air fryer recipes you are going to recreate at home. Thanks so much for watching. We would love it if you joined the Recipe This family. You can get as involved as you like. You're welcome to follow us on Facebook or Pinterest. Join our Facebook groups, we have 2. Join our Kitchen Gadgets newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to ding the bell for instant notifications. or check out our podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets and is a great way to listen along as we talk about the magic of cooking with kitchen gadgets. Even better, if you head over to recipethis.com, you'll find more than 1,000 kitchen gadget recipes. Think air fryer, instant pot, soup maker, slow cooker, bread maker and more.